Hi, Tom. Hi, Uncle Tom.
Come here. Let's open your present from Uncle Tom. Ready? No. Alright, put it up. You get this one? Oh, look at that. Look at your fingers.
Turn to the side a bit.
Alright, there it is. Oh, yay. Wow.
Yeah, don't.
What?
Don't cut those with scissors.
Why?
Because they're metal.
No,
They're twisty ties, aren't they?
no. They're just